Team coaching can mean a couple of things at MarchFifteen Consulting. It's a space for facilitating and engaging a unique dialogue on complex issues that a team is facing. And when I say complex, I want to delineate between complicated issues, which often require you having a linear or a very repeated solution, and complex issues, which really are caused by many people and need to be solved by many people. So when we have issues like that, we find it's helpful to take a team through an exercise called team coaching. There's also another variant called peer-to-peer coaching, which is about peers sharing knowledge with each other, but that's more of a learning forum. So I'll concentrate on team coaching today. So the way that we design the team coaching interaction is we want to understand what the team's mandate is, and then we want to be able to understand what the sponsor wants to do and what individuals on the team want as well. And so we try and start by understanding what the current reality on the team is and what issue that they can isolate that they want to solve. And so the key elements of the team coaching process are: what do they want to tackle first? If they were to sort of come up with a laundry list of issues, what's the most important? And then we take them through a process where we identify the issue, discuss it, come up with alternatives, and eventually come up with a series of more complicated solutions to these complicated problems or issues that they're facing as a team. And so I'm doing one of those right now, and so I want to give you a concrete example. In this particular situation, over time, there's a group of employees in a particular organization that have just started to interact in a way that's not necessarily helpful to the daily delivery of the work that needs to be done by the organization. And so what we're doing is we're designing a team coaching session where we look at that laundry list of issues that I was talking about, the things that where there are opportunities for improvement. And we're going to go through as a group and look at the many ways that those could change. And obviously when you have 6, 7, sometimes 8 people on a team wanting to change things, they may want to change them in different ways. So this is about getting everyone on the same page and then coming to agreement by the end of the meeting. Other things that can happen that allow us sort of spin-off activities from the team coaching are that we may want to follow up with something like individual coaching if someone on one of the teams is having a particular challenge that they're trying to get over or need to get their mind around. Skills development, because always workplaces are changing and we need to be able to work with them and have individuals change and grow with the work environment. AI is a primary example of where or artificial intelligence is a primary example where we're all going to have to step up and change. Also, sometimes things really come down to conflict resolution. So is there a conflict that needs to be mediated that we can help with? Or is there some sort of change management education that might be valuable for the team in general, because they're going through a huge set of changes, and the human condition, of course, is to stay the same. So we have those early adapters, people who will go along with changes over time, and then those who tend to delay change. And so we have to kind of identify in workplaces where people are on that spectrum. But back to team coaching. Team coaching is basically another way for us to help you and our other clients to solve problems. We'd love to talk to you about it anytime, and we're here for you. Thanks. Take care.